Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some easy and delicious refried beans. They're the best side for all of your favorite Mexican dishes. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by cleaning 1 pound of beans. I'm going to be using pinto beans, but of course you can always use your favorite. So we're just going to remove all of the broken beans and any little rocks that we find in them. Okay, so once we clean our beans, we're going to give them a really good rinse. And make sure that you rinse them in cold water. Alright, so once we have our beans all nice and clean, now if you want to soak them overnight, you can go ahead and do that. I personally don't do it. I just skip to cooking them into my Instant Pot. But once we have them, we're going to throw them in. And if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can always use a regular pot. I'm going to add salt and 8 cups of water. Close it, set it on sealing. We're going to be using the bean setting and allow them to cook on high pressure for 45 minutes. And when they're done, we're going to allow them to sit between 20 to 30 minutes. After allowing our beans to sit for at least 20 minutes, we're going to remove any leftover steam. So mine is already done. So now we're just going to open it. And our beans are nice and soft. So now we're going to carefully remove them from the pressure cooker. Okay, so carefully we're going to strain the broth. Okay, so now we can get ready to fry them. Okay, so we're going to grab our pan, set it at medium-high heat, and this is going to be the secret to have the best refried beans. So I'm going to be using the rendered fat from the bacon, but of course you can always use lard. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons and just allow that to melt and get nice and hot. Okay, so once it's nice and hot, we're going to add half an onion and 1 jalapeno. Of course, this is optional. Girl! Oh, jeez. Alrighty, so now we're going to allow it to cook for a couple minutes. So just mix, mix, mix and allow it to cook. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add 1 garlic clove, and I just mashed it. Give it about 30 seconds. Okay, and after 30 seconds, we're going to add the beans. Now be very careful for this part. Mix it. Just mix it, mix it, mix it. To add our liquid. Now, depending on how runny you want your beans, and it depends on how much liquid you're going to need. So I'm going to be adding about 1 cup. Mix it, mommy. Okay, so just allow it to come to a simmer. All right, so once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt. For me, they are perfect. So now we're going to begin to smash them. So you can use your potato smasher. So just begin to smash them. And of course, it all depends on how you want your beans. Or you can use your electric blender and just blend it. So I just like to crush it, not all the way because I still want to be able to see the bean. But just do it a couple times.
Stop it!
Just be careful because it does. Just touch it.
Nail.
Okay.
Oh, it was my nail.
Just push it. Not all the way, okay? We don't want it to be very, very... This is how I like my beans. As you can see, there's still whole pieces of bean. Now we're just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting and just allow the water to evaporate a little so that the beans could get nice and thick. So I allow them to simmer for about 5 minutes. And then we'll be able to enjoy our delicious beans. So after 5 minutes, we have the beans to the consistency we want them. So now I'm going to be adding a little bit of cheese. Now we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Hey guys, and now for the fun part. So we are going to be enjoying our beans in a tostada. So I already got my tostadas here. So we're just going to grab our beans and spread them. Okay, so once we have our beans in our tostadas, we're going to top them. Okay, I'm going to be adding a little lettuce, a little onion, some tomatoes, and of course some queso fresco. So now we can cheers and enjoy. Are they spicy?
No.
How are they?
Really good.
Creamy, cheesy, flavorful. What else?
Good.
Seriously, the best. So good. And like I said, you can enjoy them, you know, just however. If you want them in a burrito, and if you want them more runny, more thicker, that's just going to be depending on how much liquid you add and how long you will let them cook. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some super easy and delicious refried beans. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.